यो हेरौं तिमीलाई कस्तो छ How are you How are you उत्तरमा म सन्चै छु र तिमीलाई नि I am fine and you I am fine and you मौसम कस्तो छ How is the weather How is the weather आज धेरै जाडो छ It is very cold today It is very cold today बाहिर पानी परिरहेको छ Is it raining outside Is it raining outside उत्तरमा होइन बाहिर घाम लागेको छ No it's sunny outside No it's sunny outside तर पानी परिरहेकै छ भने चाहिँ तपाईले यस्तो उत्तर दिन सक्नुहुन्छ बाहिर धेरै पानी परिरहेको छ It's raining heavily outside Raining heavily भनेको धेरै पानी परिरहेको It's raining heavily outside You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. यो channel Hamro English Guru र हाम्रो online class मा भएका सबै भिडियोहरू एक-एक गरी हेर्न नछुटाउनु होला र यदि तपाईहरुले दुवै च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने सब्स्क्राइब पनि गर्न नछुटाउनु होला. सब्स्क्राइब को छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नु होला. कहिलेदेखि पानी परिरहेको छ अथवा पानी परेको कति भयो How long has it been raining How long has it been raining बिहानैदेखि पानी परिरहेको छ It has been raining since morning It has been raining since morning नचाहेर पनि म अब घरमै बस्नु पर्छ Unwillingly I have to stay at home now Unwillingly I have to stay at home now किनकि पानी परिरहेको छ नि त त्यसैले नचाहदा पनि तपाई घरभित्रै बस्नु पर्ने भयो त्यही हो unwillingly भनेको Unwillingly I have to stay at home now कहिले पानी पर्न रोकिन्छ होला When will the rain stop When will the rain stop म आज बाहिर निस्कनै पर्छ I have to go out today I have to go out today म त्यो कुरा भन्न सक्दिन I can't say that I can't say that तिमीले उसलाई कति बेर पहिला देखेको थियौ How long ago did you see him How long ago did you see him एक घण्टा अगाडिसम्म उ यही थियो He was here until an hour ago He was here until an hour ago उ कहाँ हुन सक्छ Where could he be Where could he be म पक्का भन्न सक्दिन. I can't say for sure. I can't say for sure. For sure भनेको पक्का. I can't say for sure. यस्तो मलाई मात्र किन हुन्छ? Why does this only happen to me? Why does this only happen to me? म कसरी भन्न सक्छु र? How can I say? How can I say? मलाई लाग्छ तिमीलाई ज्वरो आएको छ. I think you have got a fever. I think you have got a fever. Fever को अर्थ ज्वरो. I think you have got a fever. मलाई पनि त्यस्तै लाग्छ. I think so too. I think so too. तिमीलाई बोल्न मन लागिरहेको छैन हो? Don't you feel like talking? Don't you feel like talking? मलाई आज कसैसँग पनि बोल्न मन छैन. I don't feel like talking to anyone today. I don't feel like talking to anyone today. तिमीलाई पसिना आइरहेको छ. You are sweating. You are sweating. Sweating भनेको पसिना आएको. You are sweating. तिमी दौडदै थियौ हो? Have you been running? Have you been running? अर्को अब के म तिमीलाई एउटा सानो सल्लाह दिउँ? Can I give you a piece of advice? Can I give you a piece of advice? तिम्रो सल्लाह तिमीसँगै राख. Keep your advice with you. Keep your advice with you. ADVICE advice. Advice होइन advice. Keep your advice with you. अब यसरी पनि उत्तर दिन मिल्थ्यो. मलाई तिम्रो सल्लाह चाहिँदैन. I don't need your advice. I don't need your advice. यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य पनि नछुटाउनुहोला. Don't forget to like and share this video. तिमी फिका देखिन्छौ. तिमी बिरामी छौ हो? You look pale. Are you ill? You look pale. Are you ill? Pale भनेको रङ उडेको अथवा फिका. You look pale. Are you ill? हो, मलाई अलि ज्वरो आएको छ. Yes, I have a little fever. Yes, I have a little fever. त्यसो भए तिमीले डाक्टरलाई देखाउनु पर्छ. Then you should see a doctor. ध्यान दिनुहोस्, नेपालीमा डाक्टर भन्न मिल्छ. अंग्रेजीमा चाहिँ डाक्टर भन्ने गरिन्छ. Doctor. Then you should see a doctor. तिमीलाई आउन यत्रो समय कसरी लाग्यो? How did it take you so long to come? How did it take you so long to come? म ट्राफिक जाममा फसेँ. I got stuck in a traffic jam. I got stuck in a traffic jam. तिमी के खान चाहन्छौ? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? मेरो पेट भरिएको छ. My stomach is full. My stomach is full. अब भोक लागेको छ भन्न. आज मलाई धेरै भोक लागेको छ. I am very hungry today. I am very hungry today. तिमीले मेरो पैसा तिर्नु पर्ने थियो. You had to pay me. You had to pay me. ओह माफ गर है, मैले त तिर्नै बिर्सेँ. Oh, I am sorry, I forgot to pay. Oh, I am sorry, I forgot to pay. Forgot भनेको बिर्सेको, forget को past tense. Oh, I am sorry, I forgot to pay. म ब्याज सहित तिर्छु. I will pay you with interest. I will pay you with interest. Interest भनेको ब्याज. I will pay you with interest. मलाई यो कुरा सुनेर खुसी लाग्यो. I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear that. तिमीले उसलाई अन्तिम पटक कहिले देखेको थियौ? When was the last time you saw him? When was the last time you saw him? हिजो मात्र मैले उसलाई देखेको हो. I saw him only yesterday. I saw him only yesterday. सबै थोक ठीक त छ? Is everything all right? Is everything all right? म अलि चिन्तित छु. No, I am a bit worried. No, I am a bit worried. के को बारेमा चिन्तित छौ? What are you worried about? What are you worried about? म मेरो जाँचलाई लिएर चिन्तित छु. I am worried about my test. I am worried about my test. Test भनेको जाँच अथवा परीक्षा. I am worried about my test. आजलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care. Have a good day.